Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This one is personal and powerful because today we are talking about the one thing we all feel: emotions. Whether it's frustration, sadness, anger, love, or even hope, we all feel deep. But only a few people actually learn how to use these emotions to take real actions. That's what separates those who dream and those who win. So let's deep dive in this journey and let's learn how to use emotions to build success for ourselves. Look, emotions are real and they are deep. Emotions are something from your inner self. So when you feel pain, it doesn't mean it is telling you to quit. It means that something needs to be changed. Emotions are basically signs of emotions are basically signs for you to do something. So when you feel envy, it's not a bad thing. So but it is you who make it bad. So I'll give you an example. Envy is just your soul whispering that you are capable for more. But what most people do, most people just envy from other person, that how he get more than me. But if someone is intelligent, if someone knows how to use envy, so then what he'll do? He will be more inspired, he will be more motivated that if that person can achieve it, how can I not? Even I am more capable than him. These are emotions. Basically, there are multiple emotions and you feel different for every emotions. So what do most people do? They numb these emotions, they scroll through social media, they binge watch Netflix, and they just waste their time. They let their emotions to distract them. But imagine if you faced these emotions and ask yourself to give direction to those emotions instead of distraction, then what could be the results? Let me be honest with you. I am not someone emotionless. I also felt emotions and felt them really hard. I am someone who feels a lot. I had moments of doubt. I had moments of fear. Literally, sometimes emotion of fear comes into my mind. That what if I will not achieve the thing that I am working for? Like I am working on YouTube. What if I'll not achieve success in it? But then instead of quitting, I know I have to work more harder so that I'll turn this emotion of fear into more action. So I turned fear into focus. So every day I wake up with a fire. And someday, if I'm not able to work on my goals, I am not able to work, I am not able to take all the actions, then literally it's so difficult for me to sleep that day, because uh, I talk to myself that you need these things, but you have not done anything to achieve that. So how can you sleep with so much selfishness? Like, because as I told you earlier, that goal should be deeply personal. You should have strong why. In another video I told you, and I have that strong why. But if I not work, then how can I sleep with so much selfishness? So that's how I'll stay alive in this journey, and I know it. You feel something good, that means you are alive. Now don't sit with it, move with it. Pain, use it. Jealousy, work with it. Fear, walk through it. Turn those feelings into a plan. Real winners don't kill emotions, they use them, they train them. Let me make something very clear. Emotions and feelings are not enough. Motivation comes and goes. What matters is what you do with it. So many people say, I want to start a business, I want to stay fit, I want to change my life. They feel pumped for some minutes or hours, but then they again get loose. Don't let your emotions be the end. Train them to be your engine. Feel something, take one step. One emotion is equal to one action. So just make this your rule. When you feel about something, you have to turn it into action. You have to write a plan, you have to sit and you have to think. And if you are not clear, you can really talk with me personally. You can share things with me, you can talk with me, you can discuss with me. Just comment it down or mail me and we can get connected, because I am not just here to grow myself, I am here so that we can grow together. I am not saying that you should ignore your feelings. I am saying that if you feel something, first feel it. Okay, stop and feel it, because you are human, you will get emotional sometimes, and you have to feel emotion, because if you just work and work, then you will just no more than a robot. So if you are tired, rest. If you are overwhelmed, pause. But what I am saying is, don't just rest and pause. You have to come back early and always. You have to come back always. The secret is to let your emotion breathe and then jump back. I used to be the type of person who let my emotions to rule my day. But now I give my emotions 10 minutes to speak. I'll sit and I feel the emotion and I just break it down, that why I am feeling this way and what is my why and how can I turn this emotion to achieve that why. I hope you can understand it. That's how winners live. Like sometime if I am feeling fear, then I stop and I'll think why I have this fear, because I want to do something and I have a fear that if I am doing and I will not able to achieve, then what would happen. But then I think, if I don't take action now, then it's 100% that I will lose. So what's the matter of this emotion? If I work, there is a chance that I will win, but if I don't work, it's 100% that I'll. That's how winners live. They feel like everyone else. They are human, but they turn their emotions into their engines to work. Turn anger into passion, turn sadness into creativity, turn joy into consistency. And slowly you will see that you are not reacting to life, you are leading. Let me give you some examples you can try today. Whatever you are feeling anxious, write 3 tasks and get one task done. You are feeling excited, channel it into recording a video or make a plan. Feeling stuck, walk 5 minutes, read 5 minutes, but really don't scroll. These little actions may feel small, but these are the actions that are building your future. Most successful people are not emotionless. They just are emotionally trained, and that is most important trait. They know how to convert their emotional energy into progress. So here is my message to you. If you are feeling something, you are not broken. You are just human, and you are just being called to grow. Emotions are powerful, but these but they don't define you, your actions define. So promise me this: the next time you feel something, you feel angry, you feel love, or you feel even happy, don't don't let your emotion to get over on you. Don't just feel it, move with it. Action is a proof of purpose, and purpose is a thing that makes your life worth it. Let's not waste your life waiting. Let's build something out of it, of every emotion we feel. I am with you in this journey, and we are growing together. If this video connected with your heart, if you learned something in this video, then just like and subscribe this channel. So, and don't just go away, comment it down, because I really want to know how many of you really want to be successful. Comment it down if there is any story, there is any emotion who you feel is taking on you, so that I will absolutely reply. Or if you don't have even an emotion right now, just comment it down. You want to be successful, like you are doing something, because I want to know how many of you watch this video till the end. So let meet in another video. Till then, don't let your emotions to take over your life, and stay consistent and stay you.